So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So a new season of Apex Legends is here, which is Apex Legends Legacy, and in my last low-end guide of Apex Legends I said that this game is not suitable for playing on a low-end PC, and I still stand by that because even at the lowest graphics I was able to get only around 30 FPS with my GT 730 PC. Full PC specification is on the description. But however, in this season they added a new 3v3 mode, which is Arenas. So you can actually play that mode on a low-end PC, which works really great. And with my GT 730 PC I was able to get around 40 to 50 FPS, and I have put a little benchmark video at the end of this video that you guys can watch and know what to expect. So well, without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the settings that I was using. And if this video helps, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. We're really close to 7600 subs and I would appreciate that a lot. So first of all, what I recommend doing is that you guys go ahead and watch this video where I showed you guys how you can optimize Windows 10 for playing games. And well, before making this video I forgot to optimize my Windows, and well, obviously you can say that I was getting a little bit of FPS loss because of this. And also I was using a performance boosting program, which is Razer Cortex. Now I have a Razer mouse, which is why the application installed automatically on my PC, but however you don't have to have a Razer equipment to install that. I'll put the link of the software down in the description box below, and what you have to do is just install it and it will do everything automatically. So anyway, after doing all that, let's get into our game. So right now, as you guys can see, we are in our game. So first of all, go ahead and go into settings, and from the gameplay settings you guys will find an option called performance display. So go ahead and turn this on so you guys can check your performance, and then go to video settings. So first of all, we have display mode on full screen, aspect ratio on obviously 16:9 or whatever monitor you're using, and then we have our resolution on 1280 x 720. Now this is the lowest you can go actually. I mean, you can go lower than this, but sometimes the game will crash, or I mean there are a lot of issues with using custom settings, and which is why I don't recommend using custom settings anymore. And you guys can obviously corrupt your game as well, I mean corrupt your game files as well. I mean the custom settings doesn't work properly anymore, which is why I don't recommend it. Then we have our field of view on 90. Now obviously you can have it on 110, but that will cost you some performance. Then we have our sprint view shake on minimal. Then VSync, you can disable or enable it, it depends on you. Then we have NVIDIA reflex. Now you might not have this option, but if you do have it, then obviously turn it to enabled plus boost. Then adaptive resolution FPS target to 100%. Now you can't actually change this option, TSA. Now obviously turn this to disabled, and just go ahead and copy all the settings that you guys can see here. Like all of them are set to lowest settings possible. And that will be it. That's the setting I was using for this video. By the way, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, then you guys can obviously do a little more than this, but this is the settings I was using for the video, and this is the lowest settings you can go up to. Now obviously, as I've said, the battle royale game mode might not be playable on low-end PCs, which is why I didn't make any video in season 7 or 8. But here we are in season 9, and you can actually play arenas now. Now for the NVIDIA GPUs, what you have to do is go to NVIDIA control panel, then go to 3D settings, then go to program settings, then from here find Apex Legends, and from here so set the power management mode to maximum performance, then set the texture filtering quality to performance, then turn texture filtering on, then turn trilinear optimization to on, then turn threaded optimization on, and that's the setting you guys can use on NVIDIA GPUs. And well, I hope this video helps, and if it does, then please consider liking and subscribing. And obviously I stopped playing the game after season 6, so sorry for the noob gameplay. And well, anyways, I hope you guys like it, and well, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Be prepared. Never let your guard down.
That was crazy fun. Who's next? out with a decoy.
Package arriving.
Heads up. Your package coming. They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Taking fire.
Reloading. Charging up my shields. Heads up, we're not alone. Reloading. Taking fire. Shot at. Bamboozles for the foolsels. It works, it rhymes. You got Can't believe I'm standing still. You're lucky, I like it. Recharging shields. Bad news, top down.
Reloading.
Getting you. Check out over here.